7-day forecast coming up a little bit later. Chad and Erica?
Thank you, Brandon. Laser Vision Correction in Omaha is offering a new technology program called RevitalVision that helps improve their patients' eyesight by 2 lines on a reading chart.
Yeah, here to talk more about the program is Dr. Lance Kugler with Laser Vision Correction. Thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
So let's first start talking about what is laser vision correction?
Well, that's the name of our practice, but what we're actually talking about today is a program called RevitalVision. And it's actually a treatment, no medicine, no surgery. It's a computer program that patients use at home, in the comfort of their own home, on their own computer. It's about 15 minutes, 2 or 3 times a week. And what makes us so excited about it is what RevitalVision does is it actually trains the brain to use the vision better. And so it's kind of the last frontier in what we're able to do in ophthalmology. We've gotten very good over the last 10, 15 years at correcting vision with LASIK and lens implant surgery. But what we've never been able to do very well is train our brains, our visual centers, to use that new vision. And so this is a great treatment for people who have either had LASIK or lens implant surgery in the past and just want to take it the next step further, or for people who are not a candidate for laser vision correction like LASIK or lens implant surgery, but want to have the advantages of that.
So are you seeing that with people who have had LASIK surgery that they are able to see better because this program is training them?
That's right.
Is that what it is? Okay.
Yeah, we've gotten very good at actually fixing the eye's ability to focus, but we've never been very good at training our brain to use that vision. So this is the next step. So
cool.
It's very good for people after LASIK or lens implant surgery, but what's exciting about it is also people who don't need laser vision correction can use it. So we're finding that people who have perfect vision for distance but need reading glasses, which is a condition called presbyopia, and it happens to everybody in their 40s and 50s. Those people who don't need LASIK or lens implant surgery can benefit from this. So we're actually able to put off the reading glasses for people for several years using this program. So it's very exciting. And then the other category that's been very exciting for us is athletes. And there's actually a lot of evidence out there that, for example, Major League Baseball players have the best vision of any athletes that have ever been recorded. So there's something about vision in baseball and vision in other sports that improves people's performance. So we're actually, RevitalVision is actually being used with 3 Major League Baseball teams who are actually having all their players use it. And they're measuring metrics like bat speed, percentage of time they make contact with the ball, things like that to actually prove that their vision's improving their game.
Do you know which teams they are?
Well, I'm not allowed to say.
Okay, I was going to say, we need to look out for them.
Yeah, I'm not allowed to say because they're, hey, these
games,
guys want an edge however they can get it. And,
interesting.
But it's very exciting. And if you talk to players who have had a history of being very successful in the major leagues, most of them will tell you one of the keys to some of their hitting streaks that they've had is their vision performance. They say, you know what, those years I was seeing so well. And if you talk to coaches, they say the same thing. You know, they might have a player, this is particularly true in high school and college, where kids are so afraid to admit that they might have a vision problem or they won't get to play. But the coaches will say, you know, I've got a kid, and when his vision was corrected, whether it was with LASIK or one of our programs, his improvement in his performance was remarkable. So it's pretty exciting.
Where can people learn more about all this?
We have information on our website, which is LASIKomaha.com. And there's quite a bit of information there. And you can also call our office. But the best thing to do is to have, to determine whether you're a candidate for this, we have you come in, we do an evaluation, and we customize the treatment for each individual patient. This is not just something that's one size fit all. We actually write a prescription for everybody's specific needs. And then we monitor the progress through what we're doing as well as through a vision specialist through RevitalVision. And this all happens at home, and we get reports on how patients are doing at home.
Okay, Dr. Lance Kugler with Laser Vision Correction. Thanks so much for coming in.
Thanks for having me.
And we'll have an update on the College World Series and your sports news next. First, here's Brandon.